Hey, hey, my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Hey, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in to the channel today. So today, y'all, I am going to show y'all this wig, this unit that I'm rocking today. Was sent to me by Unice or Unice. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I've worked with them before like a year or so ago, but I've heard people since then pronouncing it either Unice hair or Unice hair. So y'all let me know what it do, like which one is it. But anyway, y'all, without further ado, I'm going to get into this video. So if you want the deets, sit right there in your seats. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. So this wig that I'm rocking today, as I was telling you, is a wig from Unice Hair. They are also on Amazon. they do have an Amazon where you can like purchase through Amazon their units. This one right here it's human hair, and it does have a bang, but there is a little small piece of lace in the back, and then there is lace up here in the front. So it's basically like a full lace, but it's not like a 360 where, you know, it goes all the way around and you can wear like the full ponytail. But it's kind of neat because like if I part up in here, you can see that there's lace up in there. Like I have on a black cap, but I did I sprayed under the cap. I used my Eben tinted lace spray in medium brown. So I mean, I wasn't really tripping about it, and I did put a little bit of makeup up there where you do see the part exposed a little bit. She is not super duper full, y'all, in terms of density, but you know, she's natural looking. If you want something like an everyday wig, something to wear to work, something good for this heat, like I always tell y'all, we're in triple digits here in Vegas, so this would definitely be, you know, a good something for me to throw on. I did not care for, like, the ends were kind of thin, so I kind of chopped those off. You know, I have like little pieces of hair right here, like I had to chop some of it off just to make it look better. So I was going for, like, you know, kind of like the 90s look. Remember when we would rock like the wrap hair or whatever? It kind of reminds me of when we were rocking like doobie wraps and stuff like that, something like that, you know. But I did flat iron her using my flat iron. I started out with the hot comb, the electric one. I got a little piece of hair that's getting in my face, but yeah, I started off with the electric hot comb, and then I went into flat ironing her with my FHI flat iron. Yeah, it's FHI Technique Pink Edition 1-inch plates flat iron. But yeah, y'all, like, she's super duper cute. Just not super full in terms of density, but if you are going for something that looks like it's your own hair, then she would be perfect. If you like a whole lot of hair, then you probably wouldn't want to roll with this one. But like I said, she is human, and I think it's awesome that she is lace, because you do get that realistic looking part right here that you don't get in just a traditional human hair full cap wig. Y'all did see, I don't know, maybe about a month or so ago, I did a human hair wig about this length, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, she was 16. This one is 16 inches in length, and it's straight. Okay, straight human hair. I'm gonna put all the deets below in the description box, as well as the link. I will put all of the information below for y'all cuties in the description box. I'm using my new camera, y'all, so bear with me. I'm trying to get used to it. I love, though, that it focuses in on the products and kind of blurs the background. But here are the bangs. I always, when I have bangs, I pull the cap as far back as I can get it to the edge of my hairline, like close to my hairline, to where, right where the beginning where it starts, and that way I don't have to chop off as much of the bang, so that, you know, I don't have that like 80s bang, because that's what I did not want. So yeah, y'all, but would y'all rock her? You know, I know she's not a lot of hair, and some would say no, but like I said, for like just a chill day or something and I'm not doing much, this is great for Vegas heat. Whenever you're dealing with 115 degrees and stuff like that, y'all, you barely don't even wear a wig. Like, I usually go rock my little bald blonde head, because it's been so dang hot. But yeah, so she's not overly shiny or anything. I added a little bit of sheen to her, the carrot hair sheen. So see that, you know, basically I kind of made her my own. I just chopped off a little bit and flat iron, and, you know, it gave her like a whole another little look. So she's a little sassy, you know, but she's not too out of control, so you can rock this girl, you know, rock this girl right here to work. Happy hour, shoot, if we can have a happy dang hour right now dealing with this whole pandemic situation. But yeah, y'all, she's really simple, straightforward, not a whole lot to her. Like I did say, you get the laces all up in here. So if you do have something that you want to do, it's not really a whole lot you can do when you're dealing with bangs. But if you do want to like have the parts showing all the way around, you could do that. I'm not trying to do that, but I like the just a little bit right here. I think that looks like kind of natural and cute. So that's definitely a plus. But yeah, she could be a little bit fuller, and the ends I wasn't really feeling. She looks healthier when you trim them a little bit. So if you do want more length, you would definitely order a longer one, because you probably would be chopping off some of those ends like I did, or like your sis did right here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. Please do share this video. Sharing is caring, my loves. Also, hit your girl up, come mingle with me. Let's link up on social media, Twitter, Instagram, what else, TikTok, Facebook, and of course YouTube. So if you have not joined the family as well, please make it official. Girl, what are you doing? Yes, join the fam. It is free, $99. It don't cost you a thing. Go ahead, press that subscribe button. While you're at it, tap the alert bell so you won't miss a thing, sis. We gotta have you on board, let you know what's going on, when I got new uploads, when we're doing giveaways, when we're doing wig sales. You gotta be there, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate y'all loves watching. Once again, this wig was sent to me by Unice Hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.